Sarah's journey was long and arduous. She traveled through treacherous terrain, braving storms, wild animals, and the constant threat of infection. But she pressed on, driven by a sense of purpose that she had never felt before. One day, while exploring an abandoned city, Sarah stumbled upon a hidden entrance. It was a small, unmarked door, concealed behind a crumbling wall. With a mixture of curiosity and trepidation, Sarah pushed the door open. Inside, she found a vast underground city, illuminated by a soft, ethereal glow. The city was a marvel of engineering, with towering structures, intricate networks of tunnels, and advanced technology that seemed centuries ahead of its time. As Sarah wandered through the city, she encountered strange, otherworldly creatures. They were peaceful and harmless, and they seemed to be living in harmony with each other. Eventually, Sarah came across a group of humanoid beings. They were tall and slender, with glowing eyes and ethereal skin. They welcomed her into their city and explained that they were the descendants of an ancient civilization that had survived the apocalypse. The beings, who called themselves the Luminescents, revealed that they possessed a powerful energy source that could heal the sick and purify the environment. They had been waiting for the Chosen One to arrive, the one who would help them restore the world to its former glory. Sarah knew that she had found what she was looking for. With the help of the Luminescents, she believed that she could defeat the virus and bring hope back to the world. Sarah and the Luminescents had spent months preparing for the final confrontation. They had harnessed the power of the energy source, creating a weapon capable of destroying the virus at its source. The target was a massive underground facility, the birthplace of the virus. It was a heavily fortified structure guarded by deadly drones and laser turrets. But Sarah and the Luminescents were determined to breach its defenses. The battle was fierce and bloody. Sarah and her companions fought bravely, using their newfound abilities to repel the enemy. The Luminescents' energy weapons were devastating, cutting through the drones and turrets like butter. Finally, they reached the heart of the facility. There, in a vast underground chamber, they found the virus itself. It was a pulsating mass of dark energy, radiating a sinister aura. Sarah raised the Luminescence weapon, her hand trembling slightly. She took a deep breath and fired. The weapon unleashed a blinding flash of light, followed by a deafening roar. The virus was engulfed in a wave of pure energy, disintegrating before their eyes. As the last remnants of the virus faded away, a sense of peace washed over Sarah. The world was saved. She turned to the Luminescents, her eyes filled with gratitude. "Thank you," she said. "You have given me hope." The Luminescents smiled. "It is you who have given us hope," they replied. "You are the Chosen One." Together, Sarah and the luminescence emerged from the underground facility into the light of a new day. The world was theirs to rebuild. The world was a different place now. The virus had been eradicated, and humanity was slowly rebuilding. Sarah and the luminescence had become symbols of hope, their story inspiring people everywhere. Sarah had dedicated her life to helping others. She had established a network of healing centers using the luminescence energy source to treat the sick and injured. She had also worked tirelessly to promote environmental sustainability, ensuring that the mistakes of the past would not be repeated. The luminescence, in turn, had shared their knowledge with humanity, teaching them about advanced technology and sustainable living. They had become an integral part of the New World Order. As Sarah stood on a mountaintop, overlooking the lush green landscape, she felt a sense of peace and contentment. The world was healing, and a brighter future was within reach. She turned to the luminescence who stood beside her. "We did it," she said, her voice filled with emotion. "We saved the world." The luminescence smiled. "Together," they replied. "Together." And so Sarah and the luminescence watched as the sun set over the horizon, casting a warm glow over the land. A new dawn was breaking, and the future was filled with promise.